Woke up, couple meal on my plate. Let's eat. I'm investing in real estate. I just went and gave my mama 100. Probably won't hear me open my mouth, let you hear me talking about finance.
Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. So I am here with the Valentine's Day look. Today's video is actually a collab with a few other talented young women, so I will make sure I will link all of their videos down below. But make sure you guys go ahead and continue to watch, because y'all, this look was so easy to create. Like, you can easily recreate this. They be looking fine on Valentine's Day. So make sure you guys go ahead and keep watching. To prime my eyelids today, I'm using the Kylie Jenner Skin Concealer in the shade Chai. Okay, so I'm going into my Jackie Aina palette. I'm taking the shade Pinker. And I'm taking Supreme. And I'm using that to cover the rest of my eyelid. Okay, so I'm just gonna take pretty much any dark purple I have. I'm taking the one from my 35B palette, this one right here. I'm gonna use that one to deepen my crease where we put the first purple. And when I say deepen my crease, I just mean give it more definition, so that's what I'm doing. I'm gonna take this glitter from NYX called Spreading Rumors, and I'm gonna pack that right in the center where the pink and purple meet. And then I'm also gonna go on top of that with these cute hearts from Glow Glitters. Yeah, these are my favorite lashes, but they are not in stock anymore, or they're not for sale anymore at all, I guess. I don't know. Okay, so moving on to the face, I'm going to take my Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer, and I'm going to put this in my smile lines and my forehead. As y'all can clearly see, my skin is not my friend right now. And now I'm just adding some of the Pond's face cream all over the rest of my face. And I'm gonna just set my smile lines with my Airspin translucent powder because they tend to crease. For foundation, I'm going to use my Fenty, but I want to swatch this Juvia's Place concealer. I never used it because it's a matte foundation, and I don't really care for matte foundations. I don't know why I got this. I guess I was supposed to just try it when it first came out, and I never tried it on camera. So yeah, it's actually, I guess I could pass as my color, but I'm gonna go ahead and go to my Fenty. I'm the shade 385, and I do use the hydrating foundation. And I use the Juvia's Place Stick Foundation in Sokoto. now I'm going to highlight the usual spots with the Kylie Jenner Skin Concealer in the shade Buttermilk. Now I'm starting with the Sistar Cosmetics Issue Setting Powder. This is my favorite powder at the moment. I'm gonna just use this foundation powder, the little bit I have left from Maybelline, and dust this powder away. I'm gonna just use my Fenty bronzer in the shade Coconutty. I'm gonna use the same bronzer to contour my nose. Just dust this away. To complete the eye, I'm going to add some black liner into my waterline. I'm going to go back to Pinker from the Jackie Aina palette. I'm going to smoke that out underneath my lashes. This highlighter in the shade Space from Glow Glitters. It has like a purple tint to it. So I'm gonna try, I just added some bottom lashes, but I am gonna try a pink lip. I'm not sure if I'm gonna like it, but we're gonna try it anyway. I'm taking this Nabi lip liner in the shade Mocha. So this lip gloss is from ColourPop, in the shade Ipsy VIP. Okay, y'all, so that one was a little bit too pink, so now I'm adding this NYX butter gloss in the shade Tiramisu. I'm gonna just set real quick with the Coconut and Rose makeup setting spray. Alright, you guys, so we are finished with today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys did enjoy it, make sure you guys give me a thumbs up, and make sure you are, of course, subscribed for some more videos, and I will see you guys in my next one.